Hey guys, get ready, because the iQOO 13 is gearing up for its grand launch in China on October 30th, and it's bringing some serious style and power to the table. iQOO has officially confirmed that this flagship phone will be available in 4 striking color options: green, white, black, and gray. The phone itself is a head-turner with its flat, modern design, but the real showstopper is the halo light ring that encircles the camera island. It's a subtle yet eye-catching touch that adds a futuristic flair. iQOO has even teased this in a video, showing off the light ring, which looks a lot like what we saw in its predecessor, but with a few upgrades. The triple camera setup will be surrounded by RGB lighting that activates during gaming, switching to battery saver, or when performance mode is enabled. It's not just about looks, it's functional too. Now, let's talk pricing. According to leaks, we're looking at a starting price of around 3,999 yuan, which translates to approximately $561.57. Under the hood, the iQOO 13 is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, backed by a whopping 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. And for the gamers out there, it's equipped with iQOO's very own gaming chip, the iQOO, offering PC-level 2K textures and an insane 144 frames per second for buttery-smooth gameplay. The display is where things really start to shine literally. The iQOO 13 will sport BOE's latest Q10 panel, offering 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate for a fluid, crystal-clear viewing experience. This panel is set to outperform its competitors with higher brightness levels, a longer lifespan, and superior color accuracy. Security and durability are top-notch too. You're getting an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and the phone is expected to be IP68 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant. Plus, it'll have a metal frame, adding to that premium feel. Camera-wise, it's a powerhouse, boasting a 50MP Sony IMX921 main sensor, a 50MP Samsung ISSLJN1 ultrawide sensor, and a 50MP Sony IMX826 telephoto lens for 2x zoom. Battery life won't disappoint either. The iQOO 13 is rumored to pack a 6,100 mAh dual-cell battery with support for 120-watt fast charging. And yes, wireless charging is here too, potentially reaching 50 watt, so you're never far from full power. That's all for now. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more update. See you in the next video. Peace out.